Hello students, this is Priyanshu and today I'm gonna talk about our social studies class 10th Telangana State Board. So in this video I'm gonna show you all the important questions of each and every chapter, but in this video we are going to see our first chapter India Relief Futures, and if you're looking for the chapter wise important question, so in description there's a link of the playlist, you can check and you will find the chapter wise important questions. Okay, so let's see. So today we are going to see the India Relief Futures most important and repeating question which already repeated from the years and years, and this PDF is made by the very top teachers of the Telangana's, and it is made that PDF, and actually it's a book, it is made by them, and this is very helpful for the TET examination of the teachers also. And if you are a student of the 10th class, then it is a very amazing book for you. Okay, so let's just start this one. So our first chapter in the Relief Futures, so it is given the notes about it, but we are not going to see the notes, we directly go through the our important questions. Okay, right, so let me start. So here it is starting from here. So first of all, it is given the multiple choice question. Okay, actually you already know our paper is 80 marks paper. In 80 marks, 20 marks for the our MCQ question, that means multiple choice questions. So here is the some multiple choice question is given which is repeating from the 2014-2025, and it's already come in your examination. Okay, so let's see, like in Asia, India is located towards, in Asia where is it India? North, south, west and east. Okay, there's a lot of question it is given. Okay, the plateau is rich in mineral and resources, or question number 6. And question number 7, highest peak in the south India is. Okay, so these are the very important questions. Okay, Canara Coast in this state, in which state Canara Coast is located. Okay, India is located in this zone, in which zone India is located. Okay, so these are the question, like 12th question, which of the following is a coral origins? Okay, where the coral origins we find, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Okay, so this type of island names is given and you have to give the answer of this. So these are the important for you, because in 20 marks definitely it will ask 2 or 3 question from this one. Our first chapter is very important, a lot of question arise from this chapter. Okay, so here we will see, name the plateau that mentioned in the above paragraph. The reason behind the name peninsula is. Okay, so you have to say about this. So like I think it is a water of 3 sides, so 16 is option B is correct, because peninsula means what? The land which is surrounded by 3 sides of water, and if it is surrounded by the 4 sides of water, then it is our island. Okay, I hope you learn in your class 10th. Okay, if you didn't learn, it's don't worry, you go and learn it. Okay, right, so let's come here. So these are the very short question answer. Okay, like 2 marks question it is. Okay, this is a 2 marks question. So here it is given, the first question is, what are the physical division of India? Okay, so India is divided into 6 physical parts. Okay, islands, deserts, peninsula, coastal plains, Himalayas. Okay, so I hope you will know about this one. Okay, name some of the valley and hill station of Himalaya. You have to tell about the hill station, like which is situated in the Himalayas. Write difference between the west coastals and east coastal plains. Okay, you have to write the difference between the west coastal plains and the east coastal plains. Name the highest peak of the Himalayas. You know the highest peak of the Himalaya is like we can say like Mount Everest, and Mount Everest it is not there I think, but like Himalayas there. But Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of the India, not Himalaya. It is in Himalaya only, but if you are looking for the India, then the India's highest peak is, it is a Kanchenjunga, we say that K2. Okay, I hope you will know this one. So it is asking about difference between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Okay, these are the also important questions. Explain the location of India. These are the very important, because a lot of time it's ask you what is the location of India, so you have to tell about Dashmont longitudes and latitude. Okay, in India is a part of Asia, or Gondwana land, Laurasia, it is everything is there, so you have to remember this. Okay, short answer questions. Okay, I will upload the notes also if I get a time. and definitely I will upload the notes of social studies, bio, physics and mathematics. Definitely I will upload the notes. Okay, so here we'll see short answer question. Name the, actually this short question answer, it is like it's between the 2 and 4. Okay, name the part of Indo that's a Gangetic plains with like the river around the Gangas. Explain any one of them. What are the structural characteristics of peninsula plateau? You have to tell about the peninsula plateau. Indo-Gangetic plains have the higher density of population. Why? Actually, the area of which is situated under the Ganga's plain in the Ganga rivers, like in the North India, like UP is the very populated state of India. Okay, and from, if you, this is in the north. Okay, it is UP in the north. If you see in the East India, from the east part of India, in East India, which is a very populated state, which is near the Ganga, that is a Bihar. Okay, Bihar is a very populated, like population state of the East India. And if you talk about the North India, then this is the UP is there, Rajasthan is there, and Madhya Pradesh is also there, MP. But in East India, the most populated state of the Gangetic Plains, that is the Bihar. Okay, right. So now let's go next one. So here easy types question is there. Okay, why are the Himalaya important for Indian development? This is a very interesting question. It can ask you in the 4 marks. This is chances here. Okay, how are the northern plains formed? Write the importance of northern plains. Okay, explain the parallel ranges of Himalaya. Okay, you have to explain the Himalayas parallel ranges. Okay, now is it clear? Now let's talk about the map. This is a map pointing. Locate the flowing places in the given map. So actually this is a map is given, like Malwas Plateau, Deccan Plateau, it is now south. Okay, like Hyderabad is a Deccan Plateau. Tropic of Cancer, and Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, that's the Indo-Gangetic Plains, Western Ghats, Anamudi. Okay, like something it is given. So this is a map, and they located here. This is a Everest here. Mount Everest is located here. It is in the Nepal, but the highest peak of India, that is the Kanchenjunga K2 we call that. And here it is the Deccan Plateau. Here this part of the Telangana's, and that's the Maharashtra places. This is the Deccan. These are the Western Ghats, the coastal plains here. This is the Western Ghats, and these are the Eastern Ghats. Why? Because from Bihar to this side, this area is East India. This area is a East India. This is a East India. Okay, and the area from here to this area, from this to this area. Okay, this area is totally North India. This is a north, and this part is east. Sorry, this is west. Actually I will, okay, wait a minute, I will explain that. This is our India. From the Bihar, this is the Bihar maps. From here to here, this part is totally the East India part. Okay, this is East India. I hope you know about it. So this is East India. In this state there is Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha. These are the, and West Bengal also. These are the East India states. Okay, and when we talk about our like North India, so from this Rajasthan to Madhya Pradesh, this area, from this one border to here Uttar Pradesh, and from this, these are the totally north area. So this is the north part of the India. Okay, this is North India, and this areas is west. This is the west, and whatever the area you are looking here, this is the golden colors areas. These are the south area, and this is the northeast sisters. This is the northeast, north and east. Okay, right. So I hope you will understand this one. So you have to remember this. Okay, and the graph is already clear to you. Okay, now let's see this one here. So now second map is there Lakshadweep Islands, Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, and here we will see this one. These are the very important. Okay, and then after, the next chapter is ideas of development. Okay, I hope this chapter India Daily Futures is totally clear to you. Whatever the important question from the previous year is it there, I already show everything to you, and this book is very amazing and interesting book it is. Okay, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt, and whenever you get time you have to practice these questions. And if you really like this video, then you have to share with your friends, and if you have any doubt, any question in your mind, then definitely you have to leave the comment for me, and definitely I will try to give the answer of this. Okay, I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet on next video. Jai Hind.